Hello, this is an instruction of how to fix Uppababy stroller, the stock wheel, since it doesn't rotate. So to fix it, let's get rid of this wheel firstly. To do so, you see this lever. You just press it down with your hand or as flat driver. Press it down and yeah, you can release this. So that's step one. And then we have to get rid of this unit. This unit means this part and then this part. So you can show from there. Yeah. This part. Yeah, we have to get rid of this. To get detach this part, you have to unscrew the two screws here. So let's do that. Okay, let's move them to a safe location. And use your flat driver to detach this part. Give a constant force around, and so this whole thing will come out. Just have to do this around. Okay, and then like this, then this part comes out. Okay, like this. And then yeah, that's fine. Here you can show this part, right? Okay, now here the reason why it's stuck is because of this part. It is just sticking out, and this part is to be released to make the wheel to rotate. Since it's not, so just to release the whole thing out like this. And be careful to hold everything together, because there are other parts and that things can come out, especially this spring has to be where you can hold it with your hand. And finally, this whole thing, we have to bring this back to this original location. To do so, you can do this manually, simply releasing this. Yeah, and you can easily push this up and it comes on, and